Hello guys, welcome to today's video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to claim the Hamster Kombat daily cipher for 1st August 2024. What you do is to go to daily cipher here. You click on daily cipher. The interface will change to this. So the cipher for today is relay, RELAY. And to get the first letter, which is R, you do one dot, one dash, and another dot, dash, dot. To do E, you do just one dot. For the L, you do one dot, one dash, and two other dots. Dash, dot. For the A, you do one dot and one dash, dash. Oh, we've gone back. Okay, let's get L again. Dash, dot. For the A, dot and dash, dash. Then for the Y, dash, dot, dash. That's one dash, one dot, and two other dashes. Dash, dot, dash. Then you take the price here. That's it for today's video, guys. Please like, subscribe, and turn on bell notification. Thanks for watching.